In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use layers in draw.io to create interactive diagrams directly inside Confluence and Jira. Layers are an incredibly powerful feature because they allow you to show, hide, and organize different parts of your diagram, making your documentation cleaner, more interactive, and much easier for teams to understand. This is perfect for system architecture diagrams, workflows, process maps, and technical documentation. If you work with Jira or Confluence regularly, this is a must-know skill. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Jira in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your Jira dashboard, look at the top navigation and click on the More option. From the drop-down menu, click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can manage and install apps for Jira. In the search bar, type draw.io and press Enter. From the results, click on draw.io Diagrams for Jira. This is the official draw.io integration that allows you to create and edit diagrams directly inside Jira issues and Confluence pages. Now click on Install and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once the app is installed, head back to your Jira workspace. Go to your project or space where you want to add a diagram. Open any task or issue where you want to embed your draw.io diagram. Inside the issue, click on Actions or the three-dot menu, then select Add Draw.io Diagram. Next, click on Create to start a new diagram. Choose the diagram type that best fits your use case, or start with a blank canvas if you want full control. Once the Draw.io editor opens, you can begin creating your diagram using shapes, connectors, and text from the left panel. Now let's talk about layers, which is the key part of this tutorial. To open the Layers panel, click on the Layers icon, usually found on the right side of the editor or under the View menu. Here you can create multiple layers for your diagram. Click Add Layer and give it a clear name, such as Overview, Details, Backend, or Frontend. You can then assign specific shapes or components to each layer by selecting them and moving them to the desired layer. This allows you to toggle layers on and off, which is what makes your diagram interactive. For example, you can hide technical details for non-technical viewers or show extra information only when needed. This is extremely useful in Confluence pages where different team members need different levels of detail. As you build your diagram, keep organizing elements into logical layers. You can lock layers to prevent accidental edits or duplicate layers if you want to create variations. Once you're happy with your diagram, click Submit to save it back into your Jira issue. The diagram will now be embedded and accessible to anyone with permission. If you're using Confluence, the same process applies when inserting a draw.io diagram into a page, and readers can interact with the layers directly. And that's it. You've successfully used layers in draw.io to create interactive professional diagrams inside Jira and Confluence. This not only improves documentation, but also helps your team collaborate more effectively. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Jira, Confluence, and software productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.